Riley, put that hand out there now. Now, it's very important you look straight ahead and don't move. I don't want you to scare this bird, okay? Riley, smile. Look like you're having some fun. There we go. That's a nice smile. Okay, Riley, now remember, don't move. Here we go. Okay, I don't see him yet, Riley. I'm just going to keep whistling here a little bit. There he is. He's going to land right here on your hand. Now don't move, Riley. Oh, he missed. Don't move, buddy. You don't want to scare a bird on your head. Trust me on that. Okay, he is gone. Well, Riley, that didn't... Oh, boy, he left his autograph right there in your hand. And it's kind of a wet one, Riley. I'll tell you what. You tell your parents to let that dry. In about a half hour, they can flick it right out of there, okay? Now you're being a great sport. We're going to try this again. Riley, I need you to stand up. Let's come right over here. Okay, we're going to get out in the open a little bit. Now put both hands out. And I think I might need help on my whistling this time. Can everybody help me whistle? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, quit whistling. We got the wrong bird. Look right there, Riley. That is the wrong bird. Look right there. You better look alive. Where are you going, Riley? You big chicken? You know what? You're doing a fantastic job. You can put your hands down now. There you go. You're doing so good, I'd like to help you with my next animal star. Do you like dogs? Well, that's great, because the next dog I'm about to bring out here happens to be the smartest dog we have here at the show. It happens to be one of my favorites. Let's give a nice warm welcome to Levy. Hey, Levy, how are you? Right there, that's right. Good boy, stay. Now, Riley, we have recently discovered that Levy can distinguish between different items of clothing. Now, Levy, come here. Sit, stay. Now, in the back, we have a basket. Levy, come here, buddy. Hey, can we send Levy out? Levy's a little shy, too, okay? Come here, buddy. It's okay. Nothing's going to hurt you. Have a seat. Good boy. Now, in the back, we have a basket of clothing. It's got a hat, shirt, pants, all kinds of stuff you wear, Riley. Sit, buddy. Good. Now, I'd like you to tell Levy 2 things, and he's going to run back together. And we'll prove just how smart Levy is. So it could be like a hat, shirt, pants, socks, anything you wear. Tell him 2 things. 2 things. Tell him 2 items of clothing. Okay, that's 2. Levy, go do your stuff. Now, Levy's been doing absolutely fantastic at this all week, so I am anticipating he will come out with exactly what Riley asked for. That was really quick, Levy. What do you have? A hat. Riley, did you ask for a hat? No. Cute kid. Hey, Riley, I'm doing the show. Go along with me, okay? That's all right. Levy does this every now and then. Levy, go back and get that second item. Now, I can guarantee everybody that's here today, I've never seen Levy miss 2 in a row. I'm absolutely certain he's going to come out with exactly what Riley, did you ask for this? I am sorry to break. No, I didn't. Look what you did. This is hers. Go ahead, get her out of here, please. Hey, put some clothes on, would you? Riley, you can't ask for stuff like that here. This is a family show. We're not in Vermont, you know. Who taught you to ask for stuff like that? Yeah, he's pleading the fifth. Riley, I don't blame you. Levy likes playing tricks on us every now and then. I think that was him. Levy, you're a good dog. Stand up, Riley. Take a bow, young man. Let's hear it for Universal. First animal trainer. Well, apparently we just interrupted someone's shower, but that gorgeous redhead